ndapashe nyama dzake.
Ndapashe. Chinzwa kwanzi nyaya iripo iwe. Zvinhu zvako ndizve $7. Saka ini handida chinonzi $, ndinofanira kupa $3. Saka iwe ukanipa $2 ndokupa $5.
$2 ndindaivana kupa. The only other notes I have a 20 ne1.
So unganditendere kuti kukuchengetera $3 muaccount.
Mungatoisa muaccount ya kuti handina masingles.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. All right.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo.
Is this the one you bid? That's pretty. Let's see this one. No, I like that one more.
I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that careful.
Let's see. It's a 10.
No, not going to change.
The what? Let me change it. The frame? Because the frame looks like it's also the canvas. Like the cover isn't nice to me, but you can change that. But this, I don't really like it.
It's like ages.
I feel like it doesn't go well with this, the wood. This is beautiful. This?
Yeah,
but this doesn't look as good quality as the wood that comes with this. That's where my point is. Hi guys, what is up? My name's Kulap, but you can call me Potato Mommy, and welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing me on your YouTube screen, please be sure to click subscribe. And if you are a returning viewer, a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today is a Friday and we're starting the weekend vlog today. I have a vlog I'm supposed to put up today, but it's already like, it's like to 4 or something like that, and I'm not yet home. So I don't know what's gonna happen, but I think I'm just gonna upload it still. That's that. I mean, you know, right now we are in along Enterprise Road. George is meeting with a client, so I'm in the car. Since I'm in the car and they seem like they're gonna take a while, I figured I would as well film the intro and show you guys what I got. So we were at ABC Auctions because remember I was telling you guys how I was looking for a tripod, right? And like I kept finding tripods, like the exact type of tripod I wanted on ABC Auctions, but every time they would get to like mad prices, like $50 or whatever, and I'd be like, no way, it's like you know, because then they always add like a 17.5% tax fee as well. So it's like whatever your final bid is plus whatever 17.5% is, and another 14.5%, I think. So it was gonna end up being like maybe 55 or something like that, and I was like, no. And then I actually got the tripod, right? Which if you watch the vlog that I'm putting up today, you would see that I got the tripod. But I also wanted a smaller one that also works as like a selfie stick for when like we're on the road, like if I'm traveling, if I'm not at home, or if I'm just going out for lunch or whatever. I don't want to be lugging around like a big chunky tripod. So I saw this one. I don't know how to show you guys properly, but I saw this one on ABC Auctions. I think I'll probably show like a proper unboxing soon, but I saw this one on ABC Auctions and I asked George to bid it for me, and we won this one for only $6. This is brand new, okay? This is brand new, still boxed, everything is new. I got it for $6, okay? So I think after the taxes, it ended up being like $7.21 or something like that, but still really affordable. And it's really tiny, but it does extend also. But like, this is what it's like, which I thought it would be nice, just handheld like this. I'm gonna do like a proper unboxing, so I'm not gonna like tell you guys all about it right now, but like check my Instagram because I think I'll do an unboxing there. But it's so cute and nice and like easily functional, and like it's got a remote. It's like a wireless Bluetooth wireless selfie stick. It's got a remote that comes out, so this remote like pops out and you can use it to take your own pictures, which is something else I liked about it, because I want to be able to like film content for myself on the go and take pictures for myself on the go, even like if George isn't around to do that for me. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that quickly. Very excited. I now have 2 tripods, one more like, sorry, I'm making noise, one more like heavy duty I can use at home, or like if I want to go film like content for a brand or something, and then this which would be good for vlogging, or if I'm going out for lunch with my friends or whatever, you know, where I don't want to be seen holding or carrying like a big tripod stand. So the weekend has started off on a good note. I think this is all I'm gonna vlog for today, because it's already like 4 o'clock or whatever, and I'm exhausted. I left the house in this sweater and I don't have a t-shirt on underneath, so I'm just burning. Like when we left the house, and then as soon as we left, the weather just changed, so now it's boiling and I'm sitting in the car. But anyway, I think when I get home I'm gonna start doing my hair, so I'm not gonna vlog. I'm gonna start doing my hair, get as much of it done as possible tonight, and then finish it off tomorrow. Hopefully we don't really have like a tight schedule tomorrow, because if we do, then that could definitely be very problematic for me and my hair.
Corolla, my feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you make it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani cat you. I'm a white dog in Fendi. Why you say I did nothing for you, when if I do anything you want me to do?
Good morning, guys. Today is a Saturday. I am feeling really lazy. It's burning today. It's really hot. Jesse is over here. He's got a bit of a tummy ache, so he fell asleep. Hopefully he'll be feeling better when he wakes up. I haven't done much today except I made breakfast. I've been just cleaning this room for like the past 30 minutes. Only thing I'm left with is I need to now clean there, so I can put all of like our skincare stuff and everything in the right place. And it's just a big mess on that table right now, so I'm just I don't have the energy to do it. I'm just gonna lie down for a little bit, watch some Netflix, and then I'll get to fixing that situation over there. I don't even know if I'm probably gonna vlog today, because
why you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young cast, last. Now everybody go job breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life, my eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need people and shy, yo. I need people and shy, yo.
today's Sunday. We're at Market and Clean. We've been here for 2 hours. We've only found somewhere to sit now. At this point, we were at like the point where we're like, we're just gonna order food, go home and go to sleep, because Garabasi was such an issue. But I saw so many people came saying hi to me, and that they watch my YouTube channel, guys. I've never had so many people tell me they watch my videos. But yeah, I'm with Jesse and Dada, the usual, you know. We're exhausted at this point, but yeah. I've got a Bulgaria. Jesse got some boba. He's barely drinking it. This thing is huge. So this is what the chibaga is looking like. These are sunflowers. It's wet. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh yeah, but the ground is still damp, but it hasn't rained for like close to 4 days. When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you know that already. When I found you on the ground, you what? Now you call me to my yard on the back. When you see me on the edge, you know. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I won't wait for you, for you. I won't wait for Zvatobereka zviyo. So no wonder it's everything. Hello guys. I don't even have an excuse. But basically, today is Monday. This was supposed to be a weekend vlog. So it was supposed to end yesterday, but because I uploaded a video on Saturday, right? I put up a video on Saturday, so if you haven't watched that, go and watch that. But yeah, because I put up a video on Saturday, I figured, well, I'm not going to put up a video on Sunday, so I'm just going to leave this weekend vlog and put it up on Wednesday. So I decided to extend the vlog until tomorrow, mainly because there was really nothing in this vlog. On Saturday, I barely vlogged at all. I really didn't. And then Sunday was even worse. Saturday, I was just home and Jesse was sick, so I didn't want to vlog. But he's way better now. Like, he's good now, actually. And then Sunday, we went to church in the morning, and then we came back from church, and then we had to go run a few errands for my mom. And then on our way there, we passed by, like, we're using Enterprise Road, so we passed by Queen of Hearts, and George was like, why is there so much traffic by Queen of Hearts? And I was like, no, it's because they have the market today. And George was just like, so let's go. So we went to run my mom's errands, came back home, like got dressed, and then went to Queen of Hearts because it was burning. Like on Sunday, it was so hot. Like my outfit that I wore to church was not going to work for Queen of Hearts. So we went to the market. This was my first time going to the market, by the way. And I must say, it's not for the weak, guys. People kept telling me that it's best to come at 11, which definitely makes sense because we got there, I think, at like 2, maybe half 2. It took us 2 hours to find somewhere to sit. And like, we had Jesse, by the way. So imagine we spent 2 hours just like standing, and we had a 4-year-old with us. And like, we couldn't eat because like there's no way we're going to eat. We had nowhere to even put our plates or anything, our food or anything. And we had a 4-year-old, so that wasn't going to make sense. So we were just standing. We had some juice or whatever. We walked around. But guys, we only found somewhere to sit at like past 4. By then, all we could do was order food, sit. We ate like part of our food. Like I also couldn't really find anything to eat because they didn't have a lot of vegetarian options. Like every stand I went to had no vegetarian options. Even the Dobazo one, which I was kind of like hoping would. They didn't. Until George went back to the entrance, and that's where the Taco Cabana, what do you call it? Food truck was. And they had like vegetarian tacos. And so George got me those. And then JC had like barbecue chicken and chips from like the Queen of Hearts, like from Queen of Hearts. And then George had like that as well. And then he also ordered salsa and oxtail from Chicken Basket, I think. The food was good, guys, but the way it just took so long to find somewhere to sit just ruined the whole thing for me. But on the upside, I saw so many people, guys. I didn't want to lie. I was shocked. Personally, I was shocked. Because there was not a time I walked like... And this is not even me trying to brag or be like, wow. But it's just shocking to me. But there's not a time I stood up from where I was and walked around and I didn't see at least 2 or 3 people who stopped me and said, oh my word, I watch a YouTube channel. I was like, what? Not me. Literally, no one ever tells me they watch my YouTube channel. Literally. So I was shocked. But I really do appreciate it. And I really did like enjoy seeing so many of you guys on Sunday. So that was definitely nice. And people kept coming up to say hi to Jesse and George. And George was just like, your people are disastrous. Like, he's like, I can't even go anywhere by myself. And then no one, like without someone going, hi George, we know you. But yeah, we had a really good time though. It was just the issue of not finding somewhere to sit. So by the time our food was done, we only ate a bit of it. And then we were just like, let's go home to Nochkirakumba because Tangata Neta, and it was just... Guys, next time we'll definitely go in the morning. But anyway, today is Monday. We went to the farm in the morning. It was good. Everything's good there. We didn't get to see the cows because by the time we got there, Zanzato like at the dam side, and we couldn't go to the dam side because the ground is like super wet, so the car so we couldn't see the cows today, but everything else was good. And then we finally came back home. I'm exhausted. I'm feeling a tinge of a headache, but I think it's because today's just been like an exceptionally hot day. So I just need to drink a ton of water and I should be good. This is where I'm ending the vlog for today. I will pick it up tomorrow. Yeah, can you put the time on a rewind? Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as your rebel comes out. Then you go, call on me when you come, I'm gone. And then you go again with your deaf ears. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying till morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I had done all the limits, going way beyond the noise in the feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes I'm kidding. Crying out from the side, now come on in. Fall down when you see me, you know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Morning guys, today's Tuesday. I basically just been like chilling the whole day. 16 hours over, so we're chilling, and I didn't feel like vlogging because we're just having a good time, so I didn't end up vlogging today. So this vlog is going to be exceptionally short. I've been trying to make my vlogs like pretty long, like 25 minutes and up, slowly trying to work my way to like 30, even 45-minute long videos. But this one is just going to be short because I didn't get up too much and I didn't vlog. But anyway, I was just cooking. George wanted salsa for lunch. I've never been a salsa for lunch, hun, but look what love is making me do. If you can hear noise, it's because there's construction but next door. Can't do anything about that. But yeah, he wanted salsa, and then I'm having some noodles and garlic bread. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm actually not gonna do my hair today because I just wanna like chill. So I will do my hair. I promise guys I'm gonna do my hair tomorrow, but for today's Ravarana, I'm just gonna chill, eat my food, rest, and then get back to work. I think we have like a meeting, a presentation Manero. So I'm gonna chill until then. George is gonna be working from now until then, and then I'm gonna take over when it's presentation time. But if you made it to this part of the vlog, thank you so much for watching the entire vlog. So I'm actually literally editing this video and I'm at the very end, and I've realized I think we should do something for the people who make it to the end of the vlog, just to confuse the people that don't. So if you've made it to the end of the vlog, drop like a chicken emoji in the comment section. For me, Potato Mommy, that is it. I'm sending you guys love and light. Bye.